Hi friend, my name is Bamba Jamba and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. A lot of vehicles are driving along the narrow streets and broad highways. Look, our road is closed here. What happened? Of course, we could have guessed earlier. Road workers are paving the asphalt. One of the machines that helps road workers flatten the asphalt surface is an asphalt roller. An asphalt roller consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start. First, let's take a base frame of our asphalt roller to which we will attach all of its components. Now, let's attach the main parts to our asphalt roller. They are roller drums, located where the wheels would be. One front drum and one rear drum. Next, above each drum, let's fix two gas tanks, which we need in order to store a high stock of gasoline. Now, let's fix an operator platform with a seat and a steering wheel. This platform is sky high, so we need to attach a protective grating to keep the operator from falling out. The asphalt roller is ready. Well done! It is not too big, but it's a very heavy machine. Asphalt rollers are required for soil and asphalt compaction and many other things during the repair and paving of roads. The main part of the roller is the drum, located where the wheels would normally be. And now let's see how the asphalt roller works. For this, let's go back to our road. Asphalt and road metal are already spread over the road. Now it's time to flatten the asphalt surface. Our asphalt roller smoothed the asphalt by its weight with the help of the roller drums. And now, just let the asphalt dry. Hooray! It's finished! Our cars are hurrying away on their business again. Thank you, asphalt roller! Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble an asphalt roller. See you soon! Bye-bye!